Okay, Assalamualaikum. So let's try another question here. This is from final exam July 2023. Okay, so we have a crate pull with a force P as shown in figure, knowing that the coefficient of static friction between the surface is mu s equals to 0.3. Compute the value of applied force P and normal force N for motion impending up. Impending up means that this is the second condition. So first thing first, of course, we need to draw the FBD. Okay, so we have force P directed outward here with an angle 20 degree. We have 100 kg of crate, so weight equals to 981 Newton. Okay, so this is not complete yet, I just want to copy. Okay, let's enlarge this image. Okay, so we have here W, force P, and then the inclination angle 15 degrees. So with react to that, we have normal force N that is perpendicular to the surface, and since the crate is pull upward, so our friction force is directed downward here, Fs. Okay, so as I told you before, for this situation with the inclined surface, we need to rearrange the axis. Okay, so we have to use this new axis, X and Y. Okay, with this axis, so it's much more easier for us to calculate. Okay, so start with let's say we assume positive this way, summation of fx equals to 0. So we have P. Okay, let's say P resolve into x, so Px here is equals to P cos 20, right? And Py equals to P sin 20. Okay, so start with P cos 20 in an x-axis, and then minus with Fs, or Fs equal to 0.3 n, right? So I just translate this one 0.3 n, and then another one we have to minus with W here. This one is Wx, which is W sine 15. So not to forget, our inclination angle here is on the left side, right? So our angle here also on the left side of the W, so 15 degree is supposed to be here, 15 degrees. So that's why for x-axis here, Wx is directed to the left, so I have W sine 15 here, right? Okay, so minus to the left, right? To the left, so we have W 981 sine 15 degree. Okay, so with this equation, there is nothing less, no more forces in the x direction, right? X-axis. Okay, so we have P cos 20 equals to 0.3 Newton minus, plus 981 sine 15, 253.9. Okay, so this is equation 1. We cannot solve this one since we have two unknown, n and p. Okay, another equation is from y exists summation of fy equals to 0. We have n, right, positive upward, and then minus w 981 cos 15. Okay, so this one w is directed downward, right? So wy is equals to 981 cos 15. Okay, and then for py is upward, so we need to plus with p sine 20. Okay, that's it. Alright, we can get the value of n here in p equation. Okay, so 981 cos 15, 947.57 minus sine 20, 0.342 p. Okay, substitute this equation into equation 1. So we got p cos 20 equals to 0.94, 0.3n, 947.57 minus 0.342p plus 253.9. Okay, so we can solve this problem, this equation, to get the value of p. Okay, so this 0.94p. Right, so 0.94p plus 0.3 times 0.342p, 0.103p equals to 0.3 times 947.57, 284.27 plus 253.9. Okay, so rearrange the equation. So that's what I do. Then you can get the value of p. 0.94 plus 0.94 plus 0.103, 1.043p equals to 284.27 plus 253.9, 538.17. Therefore p is equals to 8.17 divided by 1.043, 515.98 Newton. Okay, that's it. The question also asks you to calculate n, so just substitute back in the second equation, so we can get n equals to 947.57 minus 0.342 times p, 515.98. Okay, so n equals to 771.1 Newton. That's it.